she wanted it.
Interesting specimen. Shame, I've probably got about 1 million of these at home.
Ever found that walking, talking toad?
Looks like that voodoo wall surrounding King's Tower disappeared. Now be the time to do it.
Definitely got dust.
Tampering with a Kang surveillance drone is a punishable offense.
Woo! It's drier than a Dramoth hideout here. Or, so I'm told.
Prospector whoever got his crane working. Sounded like he found some real good loot down in that river.
This is your glorious ruler, Kang, with a quick message to whichever citizen just beat my high score on Hexagon Blitz. I hate you.
Y'all gonna need to get the roof generator running before we can see him playing. If you don't mind taking a look. Welcome. Pull up a chair wherever you like. Pay no mind to that rusty fella on the stage. Time someone did something about that Kang fella, don't you think?
I don't know what people were expecting. Making a giant head critter the sheriff was always gonna end in tears.
Shoot! I done missed my appointment with the chiropractor.
Darn machine. Why won't you stay up there? I can't run up to the roof fast enough to use this darn contraption before it slides on back down again. If only I was some kind of super fast superhero.
A quick message to all you expectant mothers, fathers, and/or others. Have you considered naming your child Kang?
Wowee, you can move. Thanks, Speedy. Now we can get that metal band working.
Since y'all did all the work, you can have the honor of firing these fellas up for the first time. Well, ain't they a spectacle? Reckon my regulars will enjoy this mechanical music. Here, a little something with my regards. They've had a chicken outbreak in this Luna today. Gave the sheriff a real good round. Dang it! What a mess! Darn wind gusted through here like it think you can crack it. I've wasted hours trying to sort them jumbled up plans. All it got me was a jumbled up brain.
Did Rawhide Kid ever find that walking, talking totem?
By golly, you cracked it! My plan's to change the world of travel. The tumble cart. Think about it. Tumbleweeds tumble everywhere, friend, and soon, so shall we. Once we put this prototype together, that is. These parts are for the switch that only the tumble cart and a few similar existing machines can operate. Use it to open up that there chest. I'll be taking notes. It's more glorious than you ever imagined. Thanks for all your help. As a token of my gratitude, please help yourself to the gold in that chest. And tell all your friends about the tumble cart.
Where in tarnation they go? Y'all ain't seen a herd of wild horses stampeding by, did ya? Dust had barely settled after them guardians took off when these Cree varmints from next town over came storming through in their fancy spaceship and scared my herd into the winds. Good horses ain't easy to come by, and they sure as shoot ain't cheap, so I'm mighty interested in getting these uns back. If y'all can spare the time to help me, what do you say, darling? Appreciate it. Y'all know how to ride, right? Soon as you find a horse, just saddle up and ride it on back here to me. Y'all need something? The horses hopefully ain't gone too far, but some might be hiding out of sight. Keep your peepers open. That's one. I'll look after him. You hurry on after the others.
Whew! It's drier than a Dramoth hideout here. Or, so I'm told.
Oh, the circus was in town? Guess that explains all the people out there wandering around.
Here, much like
You found another. Much obliged.
So that big
You're doing good. Keep him coming. This one looks like he's seen some things. I'm sure he'll feel better after a few sugar cubes. That's this futuristic horse food I just discovered.
Did Rawhide Kid ever find that walking, talking totem? That guy is one odd stick.
Should just be the one more to find now. I'm counting on you.
My hero? Well, not just my hero. I know how to share.
Hey, man! I'm loving my new life on the frontier. Thanks again for the tip.
Why, if it ain't my glamorous assistant from before. Thanks again for all your help.
I've noticed no one has thought to write a national anthem for our great nation of Chronopolis. So here's something to start you off. Kang, 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 Kang.
Why, if it ain't my glamorous assistant from before. Thanks again for all your help.
Y'all ain't good
I hear they're getting some fancy new modern entertainment over there.
Or low noon. I can't remember.
And that's a herd. Come on over so I can thank you properly.
Who'd I talk to about getting me one of those metal horses jerseys?
Nice to know that there's some good folk around in this strange place. Thanking you kindly for all your help. Now, to get these horses tidied up and sold off to the highest bidder. Well, what did you think I was gonna do with this many horses? I'm just one woman, darling. I can't ride them all. But don't y'all worry. I'll make sure they're taken care of. And I haven't forgotten what I owe you. Y'all can call on Arizona Annie for a favor anytime you like.
Yay! Oh, sorry. That didn't sound dignified. I meant, yay!
Did Rawhide Kid ever find that walking talk?
Kang spies with his...
Hey, y'all couldn't help me out, could ya? Those darn bandits kidnapped my farm boy, and more importantly, a bunch of my sheep.
Looks like that boot.
Ouch. Glad I wasn't live streaming that.
Y'all gotta ask yourselves. I feel lucky. Well, do ya, punk? If you're gonna go rescue them, watch out for them fancy guns they got in the tunnels. They'll get you good.
Real-life hero has come to rescue us, gals. I told y'all not to give up. Did y'all turn off them guns in the tunnel? We'll never get these sheep past them if you ain't.
Oh, no, you don't.
So that big purple face in the sky was real? I thought I'd missed that. Darn bandits. They're really getting out of hand.
Y'all take care of them fancy guns? Then let's skedaddle. Come on, gals. Follow this hero.
Well, I'll be... You done rescued all my sheep.
Hello?
Don't interrupt, Clyde. I'm thanking the stranger. Here, why don't you take this as a reward? Reckon the bandits must have dropped it earlier. Ooh.
Yep, looks like the hover system is bust. Gonna need some help getting this guy floating again. Nice job. Did you study Kree engineering on your planet or something? All right. As soon as this fella gets his head together, he can rejoin his buddies in the sky. I see you took some artistic license with that new head. Well, let's hope it doesn't ruffle too many feathers. Okay, now to fire this baby up. Beep, boop, beep. And away she goes. Thanks for the help. I think we make an excellent team. She's as good as new, if not better. I don't have anything to pay you with, but why don't you take that sparkly rock that fell off the statue over there? It's gotta be worth something.
interesting item. It must not be...
Detected a crime pretty close to you. Hey, wouldn't it be great if this was the last crime ever? Nah, a girl can dream.
Seriously, why haven't we conquered this place yet? We're really starting to let things slip.
Huh?
I wonder if that researcher ever finished her experiment. I want to evolve already.
So many people to conquer. So little time.
If your home was lost or sliced in half during the formation of my glorious world, then why not consider... a comfy barracks. Bring your own towel.